Hello and welcome once again from the Iqbal Stadium here in Faisalabad. It's Bank Alphala presents Inverex Solar Energy National T20, the 600th National T20 game since its inception. And it's match 5 here on this ground. Today, Lahore Blues are facing the Bahawalpur region.
Well, now we have the Bahawalpur region team over here. Captain Imran Randhawa. They have chosen to bat first. All the team that has won the toss have elected to bat first. So this will be another great contest.
Yes, Randhawa and his men didn't have a big outing because it was a reduced game because of rain. 7 overs aside, so now they'll get to explore what their depth is like. Lahore Blues' first appearance, and they do have some names that I mentioned: Imran Butt and Umar Siddique up front with the bat. Ahmad Butt, a very good all-rounder. Hussain Tarat himself, a good all-rounder. Qasim Akram, a very good all-rounder. You get down to Mohammad Irfan, Salman Mirza, the good fast bowlers. All set and ready with a 6-3 offside field. Got a slip in position as well. And only 3 men on the onside, a mid-on, a short fine, and a deep square. And go down to third for... Oh, it's cut him off. It's a little too wide there. Oh, he stopped that, and yes, catch taken by Salman. What a good catch in his follow-through. Squared the batter up. Sudais is trying to work it onto the onside. He's gone through with the shot a little earlier and got the shoulder of the bat. And that's first blood.
Absolutely brilliant. The right areas that he's targeting. It's always so difficult for the fast bowler to get a catch with the follow-through. Good thing he had to go towards it. Mohammad Sudais goes for 4 for 1.
Different year. Top edge. I'll go into a safe zone. There'll be a boundary here. We'll wait and see umpire signal. Yes, 1 bounce to the fence. 4 signaled by Zulfikar Jan. Nice camera work. Doesn't get hold, but clears that fielder at mid-on. We'll come back for a couple at least, and that's gone to the boundary. 2 boundaries in the over. Gone, very full, and a wild swing of the bat, and the off stump is uprooted. Mirza gets his 2nd wicket. Bahawalpur also lose their 2nd.
Seems about right. Comes down the ground and the wicket goes off. Good thing about Salman, he's not leaving his line and length at all. Faizan Zafar goes for 5, 19 for 2.
किनारा था, स्लिप में कोई फील्डर नहीं और उसका नतीजा रहा 4। अच्छे क्रिकेटर हैं, ऑन नाजुकी थी उनके इस शॉट में
की तरफ उनका फोकस ज़्यादा था। ये देखिए, जैसे ही लेंथ थोड़ी पीछे गिरती है, आज भी उस पर नतीजा वही आ रहा है। तो अच्छी लेंथ जो है वो की है इस पिच के ऊपर। ये देखिए,
जहां बोल्ड किया, अपनी ऑफ स्टंप से हाथ धो बैठे, पीछे हटे थे और 2 दिल्ली के साथ खेलने के लिए गए और तेज गेंद थी क्योंकि विकेटों का पीछा नहीं छोड़ते। कासिम अकरम, बल्ले का बाहरी किनारा बीट किया, डेफ टच करने के लिए गए थे लेकिन उनका बार खाली किया। अलबत्ता लाहौर का नहीं, 19 रन बनाए उन शहजाद ने 33 पर 3।
कह लीजिए मॉइस्ट है, उसमें कोई बहुत ज़्यादा ग्रिप नहीं है विकेट के लिए। इस बार एक्स्ट्रा कवर के ऊपर से खेला है, अच्छा स्ट्रोक। लेफ्ट आर्म स्पिन के अगेंस्ट इस स्ट्रोक को खेलना इतना आसान नहीं है। एक अच्छा शॉट है मार का।
लेग साइड में एक और अच्छा शॉट, वहां पर मिस फील्डिंग हुई। 4 रन और बने, झुक नहीं सके निसार। सलमान भट्ट जिक्र कर रहे थे कि मोहम्मद इमरान
Picked it up nicely. Gone for a maximum. That's the first maximum of the innings.
Now this will help. Imran Randhawa, the captain, was finding it a little tough to score some runs, but this was easy pickings. Oh, he's appealing for it. He's appealing for it. The reaction says he's got the man. And the batter has started walking.
that invites the batter Amar on this occasion to come down to the pitch of the ball, and then that turn. Good glove work, fast glove work. He's gone.
Yeah, right decision given. Amar is already in the dugout. He knew it. Batter usually knows playing against a spinner.
2030, 2031, all world events, and that's the end of Shehryar. He's exposed all three stumps, and the ball has hit the middle. So half the side is back into the dugout now with 60 for 5 in the 12th over.
And in doing so, he was tried doing different thing. He was pitched in the line, turn. He was nowhere close to the ball to play that sort of a shot. There was no sweep shot attempt, but rather a scoop he wanted to play. That's not advisable. Scored 3 runs off 8 deliveries, 60 for 5.
फील्ड उन्होंने पूरी खोल के दी है ताकि ज़्यादा कॉन्फिडेंस हासिल कर लें.
ये अच्छा स्वीप शॉट, हार्ड स्वीप शॉट. 2 फील्डर थे लेकिन दोनों स्क्वायर के सामने, और गेंद ने बाउंड्री का रास्ता इख्तियार किया. सीमर थे, तीसरे ये हुसैन तलत हैं. ये पहले बैट्समैन हैं और पहली गेंद तरने वाला साबित हुई. इमरान ने इससे चलता किया, बिल्कुल सामने साइड स्क्रीन पर 4 रन. शॉट इस बार लॉन्ग लेग पर, गेंद एक टिपा खाती चली गई. 4 रन का इजाफा, और ये बेधड़क होकर हिट लगाई. जानते थे तलत की ज्यादा रफ्तार नहीं है.
थोड़ा सा क्रीज भी यहाँ पर यूज़ की. बेहतरीन हैंड आई कोऑर्डिनेशन.
ये तो तकरीबन नो लुक स्वीप शॉट था. खासा जल्दी बाहर आए, उनसे दूर गेंद गिराई रिजवान ने, और अच्छी स्टंपिंग जुनैद अली ने की. एलडीए कॉम्प्लेक्स के पास जल्दी लगता है कि नहीं पहुंच पाएंगे. ये विकेट मिल जानी चाहिए क्योंकि इमरान भट्ट थे. उनके आर्म को चैलेंज करना, संगीन खतरा मोल लेना था. अब जाना पड़ेगा इमरान रंधावा को, जहां वाज़ेह तौर पर दिखाई दे रहा है कि पीछे रह गए थे.
और ये रन आउट दे दिया गया है इमरान को. एक जिंदगी मिलने के बावजूद भी इन्हें तो दूसरी गेंद पर ही दोबारा वापस जाना पड़ा. इमरान रंधावा 22 रन बनाकर वापस पवेलियन.
इमरान अच्छे फील्डर, और ये एक और कैच. ये गेंद रुकी और हुसैन तलत वहां तैनात थे बिल्कुल इसी मकसद के लिए, इसी गरज से.
बहुत सॉफ्ट डिसमिसल था ये. रिजवान काफ़ी देर से कोशिश कर रहे थे एक विकेट हासिल करने की. बिल्कुल सिर्फ आगे से ही पंच किया है, अपने पास बॉल रोका भी नहीं और इसे पूरा शॉट भी नहीं खेला है. वापस पवेलियन की तरफ जाते हुए.
पैड पर लगी है और अंपायर ने हाँ में हाँ मिला दी हुसैन तलत की. आहिस्ता गेंद थी, स्वीप करने के लिए गए. पिछले ओवर में इन्होंने हुसैन को एक अच्छा स्वीप लगाया था लॉन्ग लेग पर.
और हुसैन तलत को भी एक विकेट यहाँ पर हासिल हुई. बहुत जल्दी अपनी बॉडी घुमा चुके थे ये.
ज्यादा खुश नहीं थे अंपायर के फैसले से, क्योंकि इनका ख्याल था कि ऑफ ब्रेक होकर शायद लेग स्टंप की तरफ निकल जाती. माजिद ने अच्छी इनिंग्स खेली, 15 रन उन्होंने बनाए.
Cricket has been played by some of the regions, and it just shows how they go about things. And will this be a chance? No, it will be a one bounce boundary. So arm swinging and some connection.
Oh, what a catch! Oh, what a catch! Oh, wow! Farhan Yusuf has taken a blinder. That is a superb effort. It was Arish Ali Khan yesterday, and it is Farhan Yusuf today with those magnificent takes.
Wow, that was some flight towards the ball. Surely kids have been watching Glenn Phillips lately, and there's a bit of him. He won't be a happy man seeing the current position, 97 for 9. And there it is, cleaned up, all out for 97. And we'll just confirm that with the front foot and then we'll know whether it's curtains for the Bahawalpur innings. Yeah, not a problem with this front foot. And bowling within the stumps, you miss, I hit. And that's exactly what happened, as Azab will have to go. Stumps gone flying, and the batter's gone to change. Get ready to field and try and defend this. Lahore would require 98 to win. And the bowlers have done a fantastic job. 98 is the target.
And this is the first time that a team has been bowled out inside 20 overs in this tournament. 22 being the highest from the captain Imran Randhawa. 19 runs from on. He looked good, but could not quite convert that start into a big one. Hasnain was there for 15 runs as they were bundled out on 97. Surely Qasim Akram was the pick of the bowlers, taking 3 wickets for just 6 runs with 18 dot deliveries. 3 wickets for Salman also, a wicket each for Nisar, Hussain and Rizwan. Wonderful effort from this bowling unit of Lahore Blues. Right, when we return from the break, Lahore Blues will need 98 runs, 4.9 runs per over. We'll be back shortly.
Well, we have a slip in place. Quick wickets can do the game here.
Slight hesitation from Umar Siddique. His partner was quick to call him out of his crease. Yeah, nicely dealt with, a shorter one. That's the aggression you'll see from a bowler who's frustrated after that drop. And he's put away for a boundary. Nicely worked away. Second boundary in the over. Imran Senior is spraying all over the place now. After that shorter one, there's a much fuller length on middle and leg. There's no protection in front of the square. There's no mid-wicket. Oh, he's almost chopped that on. He'll get a boundary. Living dangerously, but they're getting those runs fast and quick here. Upish and a boundary. Couple of bounces. Very wide outside off, dealt with. Four more. He's piercing his way through that packed offside field. 4 fielders in front of the square. A nice pickup shot. We might go upstairs to find out what it is. It's a maximum from the umpire down there, Zulfikar Jan, who's flicked that one for a maximum.
A great pickup that was on the leg side. Just flicking it perfectly. Strong wrist positions over there for the maximum. Oh, well.
Oh, that's even better. That's been played in front of the square, slightly shorter in length. He was in a very good position very early.
And another great shot by him. They keep on going.
अच्छा शॉट लगाया, इस बार टाइम किया और महज प्लेस किया और ये काफी था लाहौर को 50 से आगे निकालने के लिए. एक और बड़ा शॉट खेला, फील्डर दूर रह जाएंगे और गेंद एक टिपे पर निकल गई लकीर से आगे. उमर सिद्दीक अच्छी फॉर्म में, हाल ही में इन्होंने फर्स्ट क्लास सेंचुरी बनाई प्रेसिडेंट कप में. पुल शॉट खेले, इस बार टाइट के खिलाफ और गेंद मिड विकेट के पार चली गई, फील्डर से भी बाला बाला. एक और छक्का सिद्दीक का.
जल्दी परख लेते हैं. अब हल्का सा आपने पीछे बॉल किया नहीं और गेंद मैदान से बाहर गया नहीं, इसलिए आपको बहुत ही ध्यान से और ख्याल से अपनी लेंथ का इंतखाब करना है कि कहां पे आपने बॉल डालना है.
एक और शॉट गेंद, इस बार भी मुंह की खाना पड़ेगी. कोशिश जरूर की ओन शहजाद ने, लेकिन गेंद की रफ्तार तेज होती गई आउटफील्ड में, इसलिए मुमकिन नहीं था रोकना लाहौर वाइट से. और ये टूट गया। जी हाँ, इस छक्के के साथ इस बार भी एंगल के साथ ही इस गेंद को हवा में खेला, दूर दूर तक फील्डर नहीं था। फील्डर हैं पीछे और उनने एक आसान सा कैच लिया सुदैश ने। उनसे वाइड खेलना चाहते थे लेकिन इतनी ज्यादा टर्न मिली नहीं। सलाहुद्दीन ने किसी हद तक हिसाब साफ किया।
ये पेस बेहतर है। 2 बॉलें इन्होंने अच्छी की हैं, उसमें से 1 विकेट हासिल की है इस पेस पे। जोरदार शॉट खेलना चाहते थे फील्डर के सर के ऊपर से, लेकिन ज़्यादा पेस मौजूद नहीं थी, इसलिए वो फोर्स हासिल नहीं कर सके। लेकिन जैसे आपने कहा, बहुत ही अच्छी इनिंग उमर सिद्दीक की जानिब से। 41 रन बनाए सिर्फ 16 बॉलों पे। 72 पर पहली विकेट गिरी है लाहौर ब्लूज की।
अच्छा स्वीप शॉट, इसे पैडल करने में कामयाब हुए, रफ्तार को काम में लाए। ये लेफ्ट आर्म स्पिनर की बेहतरीन आगाज इस 7वें ओवर का।
Up and over. Simple boundary. Quality. Imran Butt. In the gap. Beautifully pulled by Imran Butt. He grabbed another boundary. So we might not see Imran Butt get to his 50. Because he's 48 and Hamad Butt is on strike. A single will make sure that Lahore Blues wins this game by 9 wickets. A very comprehensive victory for Lahore Blues side. They've been very authoritative from the ball one. They've been very disciplined. They've planned well, executed well. The bowlers have responded. And not to forget, a fantastic catch from youngster Farhan Yusuf tells you that there is lots of quality in that side. On the other side, Lahore Blues, they've chased down 98 with some ease. Both the openers getting to 40s, 48 Imran Butt being the highest run getter of just 32 deliveries. Hamad Butt stayed with him, not out on 6, as they chased down this total in 9.4 overs. Just brilliant.
Whereas Bhawarpur, they were not able to take or create any opportunities in the bowling card. Salahuddin was only able to take 1 wicket. Imran Senior had a good economy but was not able to capitalize that in the favor of the team at all.
And that's how things happened today for Bahawalpur and Lahore Blues. Bahawalpur won the toss. They batted first. 97 is what they could manage. Imran being the highest run getter, 22. Qasim Akram was the pick of the bowler. 3 wickets giving away only 6 runs. And in reply, Lahore Blues with some ease scoring those 98 in 9.4 overs and winning the game by 9 wickets.